Ooh, almost fell down the drain there. Welcome back, everybody. It's time. It's time to see what we're going to do with these drywalled shower walls. I'm going to be using the Handyman system, full system, the whole kit and caboodle. Foam curb, the foam curb and everything. These walls get covered with the Handyman membrane. This is a common backing for the Handyman membrane. Some benefits of drywall over the Handyman board is it's much stiffer. A portion of this back wall is a pocket door. And well, it's solid as a rock right now. Also, we've got a huge niche back here. Drywall is also part of this wall being rock solid. Got a lot of screws, especially on the back side. I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. Is it worth the extra money? Was it actually easy? Or was this membrane a giant pain in the keister getting it up on the walls? I got to put thin set on this entire wall and then roll a floppy membrane up it and then overlap it and go all the way around. Sounds like a giant pain in the you know what. So I'm going to start by pre-cutting my sheets. This first piece has to wrap around about 3 inches around the corner. So that's going to be at an extra level of difficulty. But if I cut these out as precise as I think I did, we'll see. See how this goes. Now, before this video goes too much further, I just want to let you know that this is not a how-to video on the Handyman system. It's just me installing it. Stay tuned to the end of the video and we will discuss a little bit further. On the home stretch. 1.5 more pieces to go. Gotta mess with this and this. The water is on and tested. So good. Every corner's done, lapped, double lapped, triple lapped. Still have to put this ring on and a ring up there, but I can do that anytime. Do that today, a tile, if I wanted to. It's 100% installed. Kind of gave you an overview of what it looked like for me to install it. I'm going to throw a little bit of a curveball at you. I'm going to do something to this shower that you don't usually see on social media, and you got to wait to the next video. The next video, I'm going to show you a few different things that I'm going to do to the shower and do a full discussion on the Curdy system. My opinion on how easy it was to install, who it's actually designed for, who's supposed to be using this, things of that nature. Is it DIY friendly? Is it small remodel contractor friendly? And would I use it again? Next video should be out soon. Been taking an extended vacation, but I'm home and I'm staying home for a long period of time now. So we should have more videos coming out on a regular basis. Goodbye.